Good morning all of you. In last lecture student, we already discussed about the transpiration, how the plants remove the extra water from the leaves, from the stomata. Yes, and we already discussed about the one activity also, in which when we put the polythene around the leaves, the water vapors will come around this. Yes, now we do another activity, that was the activity 6. You take one blotting paper and one potted plant is there, and you put the blotting paper by using strip up of the leaf and the down of the leaf, and put the two slides also up and down by using the clip. Then you put the plant in the sunlight. What you observe? In the down of the leaf, more water vapors are there, more moistures are there, but upper moisture is very less. It means stomata present down. Yes, there are the more stomata on the lower surface of the leaf as compared to the upper, and this also helps to reduce the transpiration. If more stomata on upper leaf, the transpiration will be more. So that's why the more stomata down is there, down the leaf is there. So this also helps to reduce the transpiration, since the lower surface of the leaf is not directly exposed to the sunlight. Lower part is not directly exposed to the sunlight. Keep in mind, this also helps to reduce transpiration, since the lower surface of the leaf is not directly exposed to sunlight, but the down moisture is there, more stomata is there. Yes. Now we do one practice of the in-text question Q, filling the blanks. A lime water turns milky upon reacting with the dash. That is the carbon dioxide only. We already done this reaction. Yes, see there. When, yes, lime water, calcium hydroxide, react with the carbon dioxide, it form calcium carbonate plus water. Calcium carbonate is called limestone. Their second name is the marble or calcium carbonate. Milky white in color. Milky white. Yes, when you add carbon dioxide in the lime water, it turns the lime water, carbon dioxide turns the lime water milky. It was the test for carbon dioxide. Yes, second, respiration is carried out in the dash in the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a part of the cell is there, in which the respiration happens. Yes, transpiration takes place primarily with the help of a dash. Transpiration is a primarily help of the stomata. Yes, stomata or a lenticule. Lenticule. Yes, stomata or lenticule. When stomata open, they do the release the extra water outside, and transpiration is there. The loss of extra water by the leaf, that is called transpiration, student. Yes, our next topic is the excretion, the removal of the waste material. Yes, by the plants. The excretion in the plant helps to remove the unwanted substance present in the plants. For take example, in our human body also excretion, removal of the unwanted substances. Yes, there is no definite organ. Actually, we have the definite organs. We have the definite organ. Through anus it come. Yes, urine come from the, in the man actually in the penis, and in the female that is the ovary. Yes, so there is no definite organ excretion in the plant, no definite organ. Excretory waste may accumulate in the vacuole of the cell. Same like amoeba. Amoeba also in the waste material collect in the vacuole. Here also in the plant. They may be removed from the plant when leaves shed off, fall down, shed off, fall down. Yes, then leaf become dry, or bark peel off. The bark of the upper bark of the tree is also peel off. Yes. oxygen carbon dioxide. Oxygen, this is the gaseous waste, student. Photosynthetic waste, that is oxygen. Already know, during photosynthesis it releases the oxygen. Or carbon dioxide, during respiration it releases the carbon dioxide. These are types of the gaseous waste, student. Gaseous waste. Resin, latex, tannins, gum, rubber. These are the liquid waste, student. Latex. From the latex, you know, formation of the rubber is there. Yes. And store in the old xylem vessel. Actually, it is stored in the old xylem vessel. Liquid wastes are there. Liquids are there. Vessels are the cells of the xylem tissue that conduct water. You already know the xylem conduct the water. The old xylem contains this waste material liquid. Raphides are the crystal of calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate. The crystal of the calcium oxalate. Yes, oxalic acid. You already know about what is the formula of oxalic acid, student? Yes. This is not in your syllabus, but actually I will tell to you oxalic acid. But when it remove H positive ion, because it is acid only, that is the oxalate ion. Oxalate ion. And calcium oxalate. Yes, calcium oxalate. See there. By using crisscross method, student. These two only. Down. Yes, student. So actually you write C2O4, 2 negative. Because 1 negative on each, that's why 2 negative. 2 carbon, 4 oxygen. That's why only. Cut, crisscross. So this is the formula of calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate ion. Yes, calcium oxalate. The raphides are the crystal of calcium oxalate found in the plants like a yam. Yam. Yes. A solid waste. Actually, it is a solid waste, student. I'm again repeating. Yes, lime water turns the milky, that is the carbon dioxide due to respiration always occur in the mitochondria is there. Transpiration is done by the stomata and lentices. Excretion, the removal of the waste material, unwanted substance, student. There is no definite organ in the excretion in the plant. Yes, they remove the extra waste through the leaves only and bark only when they shed off. Oxygen, that add the carbon dioxide. These are the oxygen is a photosynthetic waste. This is a respiratory waste. Both are the gaseous waste only. And this is the resin, latex, and these are the liquid waste. And raphides the crystal calcium oxalate, that is a solid waste. Thank you, student.